Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Ryt Bank, Malaysia's first AI-powered digital bank offering up to 4% interest on savings. With backing from YTL Group and C Limited, this looks promising. But is the AI actually useful? And are those returns legit? Let's break it down. So Ryt Bank launched in August 2025. It's fully licensed by Bank Negara Malaysia and PIDM insured up to 250,000 ringgit. So your deposits are as safe as traditional banks like Maybank or CIMB. The big attraction? Safe Pockets earn 4% per annum interest on the first 20,000 ringgit credited daily with no lock-in period. Your main account also earns 3% base interest. This promotional 4% rate runs until November 30th, 2025, and it's PIDM guaranteed, unlike money market funds which aren't insured. Here's what sets Ryt Bank apart. Ryt AI lets you transfer money by typing commands like pay Ali 50 ringgit, uploading screenshots of bills, or even speaking naturally. The AI extracts payment details automatically, though you must confirm before transactions execute. During the campaign period, you get 1 ringgit cashback per transaction when using Ryt AI, with a minimum of 10 ringgit spent, up to 5 ringgit total. It works in both English and Bahasa Malaysia, though Mandarin support is coming soon. Some other benefits include a 1.2% unlimited cashback on overseas in-store spending until November 30th, 2025, with zero foreign transaction fees during the promo period. Domestic ATM withdrawals are fee-free and there are no monthly account fees. You also get a free physical debit card if you order before the campaign ends. The reality check? Here's the honest assessment from early users. The onboarding is impressively fast. Account setup takes up to 2 minutes with just your MyCard and a selfie. The app interface is clean and user-friendly. However, the AI still has rough edges since it's in beta. Limitations include JomPay support is not yet available for bill payments. Do It Now QR scanning is inconsistent and sometimes requires manual input. The AI occasionally makes mistakes extracting data from images, so you must double check everything before confirming. Some users report the AI feels slow or inaccurate, particularly for splitting bills. Some important limitations. The 4% promotional rate only applies to the first 20,000 ringgit across all safe pockets. Anything beyond that earns the 3% base rate. The campaign ends November 30th, 2025, and is capped at 1 billion ringgit total deposits across all customers. After this promo, you only get the 3% base rate interest, which is still competitive, but not as impressive. Final verdict? Ryt Bank is worth it, especially during the promotional period. The 4% interest on the first 20,000 ringgit beats almost every competitor, and being PIDM insured makes it safer than money market funds. The AI features are a nice bonus, but not revolutionary yet. If you're Malaysian and have funds to save, definitely take advantage before November 30th, 2025. Just remember rates dropped to 3% after the promo, so reassess whether it's still competitive compared to other options at that time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.